Once you have taken off the battery, go ahead and proceed to replacing the horn unit. And the tools required are 3mm and 5mm Allen tool. And I'll go ahead and remove the horn unit using a 5mm Allen tool. So I'll do that, but before, it's important to remove the horn connector. So there are two connectors, just like that. Just pull it out. You can get to only the horn module. I will proceed by removing the horn unit. Just like that. And I'll go ahead and set that aside. And next section, we'll proceed to replacing the harness that runs down to the inside of the deck. So the wire runs down this loom and it enters underneath here in this plastic cover. So you're going to need the 3mm Allen tool. And but for this demonstration purposes, I'll use our tool here. To remove the horn cable, go ahead and remove the straps that is holding onto the horn cable. And you'll notice that there is this loom that holds the bundle of wires. So go ahead and remove them, just like so. This may take some time, and do this process until the entire loom is removed all the way down to this section. This is where the horn wire bridges off to inside this plastic cover, which exits out here, and that's where you can access where the horn wire plugs into this HUB. Once the loom has been removed from the horn cable, locate the zip tie that's holding the horn cable along with other cables. Go ahead and snip that off. Be careful not to accidentally damage the insulation on other cables. So, just like that. Now the horn cable is unbundled with the rest of the cable. Next step is to use the 3mm Allen tool to remove the 3 screws that's holding down this plastic cover. Now that we have removed this plastic cover from the right side of the frame, you can access the horn cable, the motor wire for the front, as well as the signal wire that runs down along this tube for the right side of the cable. So now that we have freed the horn cable, the next step is to remove it from the HUB. And you can see here, you can follow this cable all the way to the HUB and then just remove it. And you should just be able to gently pull out this cable out this way. And it's important that not a lot of force is applied. There is a way to nudge this bundle of wire so that it creates enough gap to slide out the horn cable, just like that. Now I got it inside the hole. Now it's just a matter of pulling it out, just like that. Now the horn cable has been removed, and and a new cable can be installed. And the installation process is the reverse step for removing the horn as well as the cable. So, and that's how to replace the horn cable.